Hello guys, welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel guys. So dito, ito na yung ginawa natin last time. Print natin sa ating printer. Ito na yung finished product niya guys. So dito, may mga materials natin ginamit. Ito yung lanyards, ito din yung side release, and then yung hook, G-hook type yung ginamit natin dito para sa ating client guys. So ito yung pinili nila na materials, G-hook type. And then ito na din yung pinaka whole product na pinagawa nila sa atin guys. So our client is from Glan, Sarangani Province. The school is Glan Institute Technology. So dito nila napiling pagawa sa atin. So ginawa natin yung best natin para maging quality talaga yung product natin dito, for them to be satisfied for our mga output. Municipality of Glan, Province of Sarangani. So ayan guys. So for delivery na din to guys. Tapos na din ito natin ginawa. And then thank you for watching always our video here in our YouTube channel. So kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng idea about printing services, you can visit our YouTube channel guys. Meron tayong mga tutorial doon na ginawa para sa mga beginners na gustong magkaroon ng printing services guys. Ayan. So dito na side guys, nagagawa din tayo ng na video ko na din to dati, yung mga uniforms, basketball jersey. Yan yung ginawa natin. Nagagawa din tayo ng Sintra board. Yan. So yun yung mga sample natin for the clients. Pag pumunta sila dito, meron tayong mapakita na mga sample product. So guys, thank you for watching. This is Lad Support. I hope you visit our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below na lang din guys if you have any questions, and I will try my best to answer your question guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching. This is Lad Support. Bye guys. Good day sa inyong lahat.